Hi, I'm Jared Martin, and this is my AP Biology project on great white sharks. This is Mark Cuban. This is Jaws. So in this video we'll learn some basic facts about the great white shark, their habitat, popular culture and how it's affecting their life, what they eat, some adaptations and evolution, as well as the life cycle of a great white shark. So great white sharks can range from 15 to 20 feet in length, weigh over 2 tons in weight, have many fins for either balance, speed, or strength to propel themselves through the water. They have gill slits on their neck to obtain oxygen in the water, and they use a lateral line throughout their body to detect prey around them. So the taxonomy of a great white shark starts with the domain Eukarya, which includes all eukaryotic organisms. Its kingdom is Animalia. Its phylum is Chordata. Its class is Chondrichthyes, which includes animals that have cartilage composing their skeletons, such as stingrays and sharks. Its order is Lamniformes. Its family is Lamnidae. Its genus is Carcharodon, and its species would be Carcharodon carcharias. Now in the background you can see a map of where great white sharks are populated throughout the entire globe. So it is a very vast area where they can live and migrate all over the countries. They are primarily found in coastlines, sometimes further offshore, and they tend to stay in temperate waters. They live either close to the surface or deep below, depending on what they're trying to hunt for. And they are saltwater fish because they live in oceans. But when referring to the sharks native to the Massachusetts coast, they are seasonal because they migrate often to other areas when the water is much colder in the winter season. They are not introduced because they swam here independently for food, so they are a native species to this area. So in pop culture, great white sharks are considered very, very ruthless, dangerous killing machines, which plays in part to why human beings try to kill them despite numerous conservation attempts. Also, their body parts are sold for profit, such as their fins, jaws, and very well-known shark teeth. They are also just hunted for sport or fun, and by accidental fishing trappers. And as of right now, they are currently listed as vulnerable, so close to being an endangered species. So the diet of great white sharks is very extensive. They are an apex predator in most ecosystems, excluding the ones where orca whales are present because they would eat the great white shark. But great white sharks eat pinnipeds, which include seals and sea lions, why great white sharks are found on the coast of Massachusetts is because of those creatures being so abundant there, as well as small whales, sea turtles, and carrion, which is dead whales and flesh of organisms that had already died. And human beings hunt the shark regardless of it being an apex predator. The list of adaptations for a great white shark is very extensive due to it being an apex predator in its ecosystem. One adaptation is its teeth, which are jagged or serrated, and they are triangular in shape, and they are found in multiple rows, and when they fall out, they grow right back in. Also, the shark is known for its incredible sense of smell and very good eyesight as well, being able to smell a drop of blood from miles away. Also, due to its strong fin, it is able to breach out of the water to catch prey that's trying to escape. And this same large fin is used for increased water mobility, which is why it can swim very, very fast. And even though it is called the great white shark, its gray color on top is what is used to blend in with the seafloor because it attacks from below. So organisms that are above it would not be able to see it as well. And it uses a lateral line and electroreceptors in its head to track prey using electromagnetic movements. Also, it regulates its body temperature by using a countercurrent system, which allows it to continuously move throughout the ocean. So sharks have lived on Earth for hundreds of millions of years, and scientists originally thought that the megalodon was the common ancestor of the great white shark, seen in the background as the giant shark. But a new study shows that skeletal fossil records of teeth from a recently discovered specimen shows that the great white shark is more related to an ancestor of the mako shark. And sharks in general are related to stingrays because both groups of organisms have cartilage bodies, making them unique from all other organisms. Not very much is known about the life cycle of the shark, but from what we do know at this point, the mother shark carries pups inside of her, and these pups eat unfertilized eggs that are inside of the mother as well. And pups are born, developed, and then once they are born out of the mother, they are fully developed and leave their mother so that the mother doesn't eat them by accident or on purpose. And the lifespan of a shark can vary from 20 to 30 years or even over 70 years from a recent study at Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute. And this type of life cycle is similar to other animals in the fact that it has a meiosis and mitosis stage. An unfertilized egg cell becomes fertilized with a sperm cell from the opposite sex, and after fertilization, countless mitosis occurs, and then a adult shark is born, which then, after it becomes reproductively stable, it can carry out its next generation. Give peace a chance. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you learned something about sharks. Had fun doing it. Have a great day.